Welcome to Happy Talk. This is lesson 1. Hi, hello. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. My name is Teacher Dominic. My name is Teacher Dominic. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. See you. Alright, that's good. Now this time let's do it a little faster. Are you ready? Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good night. Good night. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi. My name is Teacher Dominic. My name is Teacher Dominic. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you too. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. Goodbye. Goodbye. See you. See you. That's awesome. Now, let's try this one. Hello, good morning. Hi, good morning. My name is Teacher Dominic. My name is Alexa. Nice to meet you, Alexa. Nice to meet you too, Teacher Dominic. Goodbye, Alexa. Goodbye, Teacher Dominic. See you. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Hello, good morning. My name is Teacher Dominic. Nice to meet you. Goodbye. See you. Alright, that's good. Good job. Now that's all for now, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye. See you.